How to fix your device's missing important security and quality fixes error windows. First things first is go to your Windows search, type in CMD, right click on it, and run as an administrator. Just click on yes. From here, type sfc space forward slash scan now. I'll just have to wait until the scanning will be done, and once everything is completed, let's just go ahead and proceed on the next troubleshooting step. Go back to your Windows search, type in troubleshoot settings. From here, you go ahead to additional troubleshooters, click on Windows Update, and then just simply run the troubleshooter. Now, once the troubleshooter is done, you'll just have to go ahead and check if the issue is already fixed. Now, if the issue is still persistent, just go ahead on the next troubleshooting steps. Go back to your Windows search again, type in view update history, click on answer, go to uninstall updates. From here, you just have to find security updates. It's gonna be all the way down right here. So right click on that and then click on install. And once everything is finished, all the methods are finished, just restart your PC and your missing important security and quality will be fixed. So those are all the troubleshooting steps on how you can fix your device's missing important security and quality fixes errors on Windows.